Hello children, myself Shubha Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue 4.4 exercise. 4.4 exercise, 5th main. 4.4 exercise, 5th main, factorize. Heading is factorize. Okay children, heading is same only. But the question pattern is like this way. See first one, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. You observe this polynomial. The polynomial is cubic polynomial. When they'll give you polynomial, that is cubic polynomial to factorize, so this method you have to follow. First, what is the numerical quotient of power 3 term? 1. This number and this number you have to multiply, last number. 1 into 2 is 2. So, which are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. Factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. So now we will check now whether which becomes factor. When we see factor theorem, according to factor theorem, any number if I substitute in this place, x place, if I get a 0 as answer, that is a factor of that polynomial. So now this is a given polynomial, p of x. So now I am going to substitute first plus 1. So I will consider plus 1 then. So 1 cube, 2 into 1 square, minus 1 plus 2. So if you not get, you have to check all four, whether plus 1 you have to check, if it is not a factor, you have to check for minus 1, if it is not a factor, plus 2 you have to check, if it is not a factor, you have to check minus 2. So all four factors you can check for this polynomial. Now plus 1 I substituted now. So if I substitute plus 1 and if I simplify, 1 cube is 1, 2 into 1 square is 1 only, minus 1 plus 2. So this is 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 2. See, plus 2 minus 2 get cancel, minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, 0 I got it. So P of 1 I got it 0 means 1 is a factor of this polynomial according to factor theorem. Therefore, if 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then it becomes, if we take it x is equal to 1, we got it. This is a factor of this. So if I take it this one this side, it becomes x minus 1. X minus 1, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. We got it one factor now after finding this factor. Now what I can do it, so I got it x is equal to 1, I got it means if I take it this side it becomes x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial then. After finding this, by that factor you divide the given polynomial. So we know now x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. By using x minus 1 as a divisor, I divide the given polynomial. X minus 1 divided by x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So now you divide. So what you are going to give with the quotient then? So whatever you will get the quotient, how to divide you know now. See now if I divide in this manner, first term of this polynomial I have to divide by first term of that. So then I will get the quotient. X cube if I divide by x, I am going to get x square as a quotient. I will write here x square. So x square I will write. Then it becomes x into x, multiply x into x square is x cube minus into plus minus 1 into x square, 1x square. Change the sign. Then this term it will get cancelled, plus x cube minus x cube it will get cancelled, minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square, one term you take down, then first term of this you divide by first term of that. So first term of, now you are dividing this by that binomial, first term of that is x, if you divide you are going to get quotient minus x. So that including sign, you write it in the quotient please, minus x. Multiply this to this now, plus into minus, minus x into x, x square, minus into minus, plus x. So change the sign, then it becomes this term it will eliminate, and minus x minus 2x, one term you take down, plus 2. So divide this by once again by the x minus 1. First term of this minus 2x. You divide by first term of the polynomial x. X will get cancelled. Minus 2 is a quotient. You write it minus 2 here. Then multiply with that minus to these two terms. Plus into minus, minus 2x. Minus into minus, plus 2 ones are 2. Change the sign. Then you got remainder 0. So this already you know now, according to division algorithm, I can write it this one as P of x is equal to Q of x into G of x plus R of x. I can write it. So now this it becomes now P of x means this is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Then this is equal to Q of x quotient, what I got it, x square minus x minus 2. G of x is x minus 1. Remainder is 0 only. Remainder is 0 is okay. Already we know one of the factor here. I can find out by splitting method factors of this. You know now already for a quadratic equation how to find out the factors. Then here 2 factors, here 1 factor, we'll get 3 factors for cubic polynomial. Now I can split this one and I can find out. Children, write down this much. See now, they gave cubic polynomial. Other than quadratic equation, if they give you cubic polynomial, whatever numerical quotient it will be here, you multiply with the last term constant and find out what are the factors of that. Go on checking one by one whether which is a factor of this given polynomial. Means to check means according to factor theorem, when you substitute which value if you substitute in place of x in that polynomial, if you get 0 as answer, so what value substituted, that is a factor of that polynomial. So here I substituted 1, here you got it for 4 factors, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. So just first I checked for plus 1, so first only I got it plus 1 as a factor. So if I get that as a factor, so for what value of x I got the value 0, for x value is 1. So x is equal to 1, it becomes, means if I take it this side, it becomes x minus 1. Then this is a binomial, this x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, one of the factor of this polynomial. So what I done, after getting one of the polynomial factor, so then I divided by that factor the given polynomial. Then I have written according to division algorithm, P of x is equal to Q of x into G of x plus R of x. So if I divide now, I will get in this form. One quadratic polynomial and one is a factor. We know now already this is a factor. So I can split this one as, I can split by using factorization method and I can find out the factor. Please children, write down this much. I am going to continue still. Okay, write down. I can do it here also. 2 it comes, you should come means here x square minus 2x plus 1x I can split minus 2. So here 2 terms, x minus 1 is a factor already. You take x common, x minus 2 plus 1 you take common, x minus 2, x minus 1. So by factorization method you can find out the factor of this expression. So here x minus 2 is a common. So x minus 2 is common factor, you take out as a common factor, x plus 1 and x minus 1. These 3 are the factors of this cubic polynomial. If the quadratic polynomial, then you are going to get 2 factors. If the polynomial is cubic polynomial, you are going to get 3 factors. So here you got it x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1 as factor of this polynomial. Children, this is the way of finding the factors for cubic polynomial. Children, copy down now. Okay children, now I am going to continue second. The heading is same, factorize. You observe here 1 into minus 5. So multiply the first term and the last term. you are going to get minus 5. What are the factors of minus 5? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 5. So, but this polynomial, it contains, you observe the polynomial, it contains 3 minus sign. So, if I'll apply plus sign now, so maybe all 3 minus means I am not going to get a 0. So, first I'll check for minus 1 then. Because by seeing the sign I changed. Plus 1 I am not checking, minus 1 I am checking. For this polynomial now, minus 1 I will apply. Whether minus 1 is a factor of this or what, I will check. So, minus 1 whole cube, minus 3 into minus 1 whole square, minus 9 into minus 1, minus 5. So, minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 only. Minus 3, minus 1 whole square means it becomes positive. Minus into minus, plus 9, minus 5. So, now minus 1, minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. So, now if I check, say minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, or minus 5 value if I add, I am going to get minus 9, plus 9. So, minus 9 plus 9, if I cancel it, I will get the value as 0. So, then what is the factor of, therefore, minus 1 is a factor. Minus 1 is a factor means x value is equal to minus 1. If I take it this side, it becomes x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1, if I take it this side, x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Factor of this polynomial then. Then I have to divide of this polynomial. Then next step, the method is same. I have to divide now. By this I have to divide. So by x plus 1 I will divide the given polynomial. So that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 1. So after understanding you will come to know what you have to write it in the place of quotient. First term of this divided, first term of divisor, by this term you divide. I am going to get quotient as x square. 1x will get cancelled means x square. After understanding method also you can do it and you can write the quotient. So then multiply x into x square is x cube, plus into plus plus 1 into x square 1x square. Then change the sign. Then it will get cancelled. Minus 3x square minus 1x square is minus 4x square. One term you take down, that is minus 4x square minus 9. So now we are dividing this by this. So first term of this minus 4x square, first term of this is plus x. If I divide by 1x, no, what it remains? Minus 4x, it remains in the quotient. So then after reverse you have to multiply these two terms, plus into minus, minus 4x into x, 4x square, plus into minus, minus 4x. Then change the sign because you are subtracting, change the sign. Minus 4x square plus 4x square get cancelled. Minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x, then minus 5. So now you are dividing this by this now. So by 1x if I divide by minus 5 as quotient I get. So then multiply with that. Plus into minus, minus 5x, plus into minus, minus 5. Change the sign, I will get 0 as remainder. Okay. Therefore, we will come to know how I can write this given polynomial then. So this polynomial, I can write it in this manner. This is, I can write it p of x is equal to q of x into g of x. Anyway here r of x is 0 only because it is a factor. So p of x is here x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 1 is equal to q of x is x square minus 4x minus 5. This is quadratic polynomial. G of x is x plus 1 and the r of x is 0. One factor anyway already we know now. So this polynomial, this is quadratic polynomial, I can split. Now I have to split, when you multiply you should get minus 5. When you add or subtract the same number, I should get minus 4 as answer. So yeah, I have to get it like that way means I can write it first term as it is. So when I multiply minus 5x plus 1x, minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. In this manner, I can find out the factor. So this is one of the factor because this 0 is a remainder. Now you take common. Two terms do grouping. In these two terms, what is common now? X is common. X you take out as a common, x minus 5. Plus 1 you take out as a common, x minus 5. So this is one of the factor only. We know. Out of these two, you can take common once again, x minus 5. What is remaining then? X plus 1. So this is another factor, that is x plus 1. So two factors you got it same, x plus 1, then x minus 5. Therefore, these three are the factors of this cubic polynomial. Method is same children, but the question numbers are changed. So according to that, you have to change the values and you have to use same method and you have to find out factors for cubic polynomial. Children, copy down now.